If you want to make sure something doesn't get done, make it a project. This is a common statement often heard from many executives, CEOs, CTOs, CIOs, GMs, or so on. I also use the same statement sometimes. Companies often have too many projects going on at the same time. This leads to a high rate of failure if not managed properly using the project management best practices or standard. Toastmaster of the day, fellow Toastmasters, and distinguished guests. I will share my experience when dealing with the projects, be it a very complex project, a small scale project, large scale project, or an undervalued project in my world of project management. I don't know when I started dealing with the projects for the first time, but I started in my early age, be it a construction of a house in my hometown when I was 11 years old, and when I was really involved in this project with my father, or be it my first software development project back in 1999, it was a school management system, and then the networking project in 2000 with an NGO, and in fact many projects after that. The fact is that many activities that have been traditionally done day-to-day time are now labeled as project. This has exponentially increased the number of projects and the project managers in any organization. Over the years, I have found that the word project, the term, is extensively used yet misunderstood in today's private and public sectors. I really mean it. This phenomena generates many issues which have an impact on the success rate of the project delivery. In 2016, I managed a project with an Integrated Connection LLC, and the project was Masakan Al Raha. It was a great success because I used the project management standards. Today, as a PMP practitioner and trainer, I have luxury to practice the theories in my day-to-day job as a head of IT in Al Saleh Group. Be it a small scale project or a big one must know tailoring in the project management and must know how to apply relevant knowledge, skills, processes, tools and techniques to lead the project to success. It is almost impossible to explain the project management in just 7 minutes, but and this is not my criteria of the speech also. But keeping in mind, my goal is to share my experience of a recent small scale project. During COVID-19, this pandemic which we are going through right now, I had to execute 2 projects mainly. One was to enable working from home, and another was to execute an e-commerce strategy of our business. I will talk mainly about a second project, which is the e-commerce website, on our e-commerce website, which was a strategy for our business. The goal was, of course, to use the digital capabilities of our company to drive growth, mainly to reach existing customers in the region and through the digital platform, of course, and then reach new customers as well. And of course, purpose of such products is always to create the differentiated customers experience to capture the market share. I considered this project as small scale project. The reason was that because we already have the capabilities available, the platform was ready, the technology was available to us. And that's the reason we had to just initially start the kickoff meeting. We had to get the project charters signed and approved by the top management to execute the project. And target was to have a fully functional e-commerce platform with at least 150 products available within just 2 weeks. And we had our first kickoff meeting in our office before we decided that we will start working from home. Keeping success in mind, I ensured that the planning is done well in advance, as we have been doing for all the projects. And before the execution, we had to get the plan ready. We have experts in our team. We have identified the human resources and then the other resources too. And as this was an emergency project where we did not have much time to waste in terms of researching about the e-commerce and researching about the technologies available to us. And most of our team knew about the e-commerce and technologies today. We were able to decide on the platform, and then we identified the team. Team members were clearly assigned the roles and responsibilities, and they were provided the activities they had to perform as we had planned earlier, so we knew who will be involved in the project and what will be his activities. With duration in mind, we started the project well on time on 12th of April 2020. Team members were assigned their activities were assigned the duration, and some of the members had to work more than usual hours because the duration of the activity was more, so they had to do it. With a team of 6 members, I was able to deliver this project on 26th April 2020, which was a 2 weeks commitment. As a project manager, I ensured that the task is assigned to most capable members. And today the project is successfully handed. In fact, the product or the outcome of the project is successfully handed over and launched. And it's now handed over to the operational team. And now we have started getting the customer's order online, and the operational team is fulfilling those orders. As a project manager, I had to spend most of my time in communication, meeting online with the team members, the stakeholders, calling them on phone, sending emails, sending the progress reports, plan approval, request for the changes, budget approval, or any changes which were there in the project. All this was done through the communication. Initial marketing plan. So which means that project managers spend 90% of their time in communication. If the project is well planned, success mainly depends upon communication, communication, communication. We have now outcome of the project available, shop.alsale.com. Over to you, Toastmaster of the day.